So you are going to soak the rice, wash the rice, and rinse the water probably like 2 or 3 times. And then after that, you're going to soak it and let it soak for about 2 hours or so until the rice rise. So I'm making a plain one. So if you're just doing for yourself and your family, you don't need any gloves at all. But if you're doing for event or if you're doing for catering or whatever, then you may want to put on gloves. But since this is just for family, I'm just gonna do it with my hand. So I'm making a plain one. So if you want a lot in there, you can put a lot. But usually if you put a lot on there, then it takes too long to finish it. So I'm just going to put a little and wrap it. That's it. So now I'm doing a banana and red beans filling. So if you're doing fillings like that, you don't have to put a lot of rice in there. You could just put, but then again, put however many you want. And then I'll put a piece of banana in there. And then I'll put some red beans in there. And then fold it. Again, if you're just doing for your family, you don't really need to put any glove, or if you want to, you can. It's up to you. But if you're doing for event and or catering, I recommend you put gloves on it. Alright, that's it. So now these needs to go back into the steamer to steam the second time. I'm gonna steam it for the second time. Whew. This is ready. This one is banana with red beans filling.